Hi there, and for this video, we're going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. Now, the first thing we have to do is go over to our Binance app. Now, here on our Binance app, whether on the PC or on mobile, as you can see here, we have to go and look for deposit. In the case of mobile, it's up here on the top right. Click on More and go to Deposit. Let's click on USDT. And for this transfer, we're going to be using Tron. Now, let's copy this deposit address. Head on back to Bybit. Let's go over to Assets and then Withdraw. Let's select USDT, input the wallet address, and the chain type, we have to make sure that it matches. So let's go for TRC20 and then enter the amount. Now, I don't have any balance on this account, but once you click confirm, you'll have a code sent to your email and you'll have to input the code that's on your Google Authenticator. Once that's done, it will reflect onto your Binance. Now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.